Welcome back to Innovation Ignition, a series where we dive deep into the latest in technology and its impact on our lives. I'm Patrick.
And I'm Kevin. Today, we're exploring an interesting comparison that's been making the rounds in the tech community. It's about how artificial intelligence, or AI, is becoming more like a modern car engine.
Right, Kevin. And it's fascinating. If you've ever popped up the hood of an old car, you could pretty much see everything that's going on. The spark plugs, the belts, the carburetor. It was all right there.
Yeah, but if you open up a modern car's hood, it's a whole different story. There's this cover, and underneath a complex network of components that are largely inaccessible and incomprehensible to the average person. You just can't tinker with it at all.
Exactly. And that's where the term black box comes in. In technology and engineering, a black box is a system or object which can be viewed in terms of its inputs and outputs without any knowledge of its internal workings.
Yeah, and that's increasingly what AI is becoming. These systems, especially with the advent of machine learning and deep learning, have become so complex that even the engineers who build them can't always explain how they come to specific decisions or conclusions.
It's like feeding an AI system a question or data, and then it spits out an answer or a result, but the process it went through to get there, it's hidden, just like the workings of a modern car engine beneath its cover.
Yeah, and this has significant implications, especially when it comes to trust and accountability. With a car, if something goes wrong, you take it to the mechanic who hooks it up to a diagnostic tool and they can figure out what's happening.
But with AI, diagnosing why it made the wrong decision or produced a biased result is not always straightforward. And this black box nature can make it challenging to correct errors or even to learn from mistakes in a meaningful way.
Yeah, it raises questions about transparency and ethics. Just like you'd want to know if there's a flaw in your car's engine design, we need visibility into how AI systems make decisions, especially when they impact our lives in significant ways.
Absolutely. And it's a conversation that's only going to get more crucial as AI becomes more embedded in our daily lives. Opening up the black box, so to speak, is something many in the industry are working towards, but it's a tough challenge.
For sure, Patrick, and it's something we're going to be keeping an eye on. For now, though, it's all the time we have. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Have you had any experience with AI or a modern car engine that felt like you're dealing with a black box?
Drop us a comment on our social media channels or send us an email. We always enjoy hearing from our listeners.
Thanks for tuning in to Innovation Ignition. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Patrick. See you next time. And remember, keep looking under the hood of technology. There's always more to discover.